How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here. And as you can see, back in the F-150, excuse me, the K1500 is still at the shop getting her motor swapped, getting her back very, very soon. So look out for the video on that coming up very soon. This video, I want to go over some questions and comments I got on the announcement video that my engine's blown up in my truck. I want to go over some stuff because I don't know if I wasn't clear enough, or people were assuming too much, or anything like that, and I want to go over that. First off, I want to go over the what actually happened again. As far as we know, the thruster bearings in the bottom end went out, causing the pistons to slap the piston cylinder walls all the way up and down and scarred the absolute crap out of my crankshaft. That's why I didn't rebuild the motor. That's why I didn't take it out and, you know, all that stuff, because it's just not, you have to hone it. It's going to be more expensive to rebuild that motor at this point than it is to get a brand new 350 crate motor. That's why I did what I did. Another reason, another question I got a lot is, why didn't I go with a 383 stroker engine? I'm not 383 stroking that truck. Everyone does it in those trucks. I understand it's a great platform, it's a great engine. I highly recommend them for any hot rod builder or something like that. But to me personally, I'm just not going to 383 stroke it because it's just not my style, and everyone does it, and I don't want to be like everybody else. Another question, why I didn't 5.3 liter or 6.0 swap the truck. This also goes with a 383 stroker engine. I couldn't afford to do it. This was out of the blue. Literally 2.5 weeks ago, I went from a perfectly good running and driving truck to it's in the shop getting a motor swap, guys. And that's no joke. There's no symptoms. There's no signs of wear and tear. It just one day, it started making that sound. And it just went downhill super quickly. It sucks it has to be that way, but that's kind of what happened. So basically, I couldn't afford it. I'll be honest with you. I could not afford to do a 383 stroker swap or a 5.3 liter 6.0 swap. This goes with like the whole like why I didn't do the engine swap. I wasn't expecting the engine to blow up. Like I said before, like it just happened and I wasn't prepared for it and stuff like that. So if I had the money, I would do a different engine swap than I did. I'm in college, I have to pay for that. I'll also have to put money aside and all that stuff for traveling, because I'm going back to Daytona again this year and stuff like that, guys. If my sole focus was building that truck, then, you know, I would, you know, dump a crap ton more money in it like that. But my sole focus is not that good. I love to travel. That's one of my hobbies. I love doing this. So this channel is just not about the K1500. It's about the lifestyle of trucks and the people and the community and stuff like that I like to bring to you all. So that's also why I didn't do that. Some of you said 12 valve or 4BT swap it. I am not diesel swapping that truck. Way too much money. Yeah, the actual swap isn't that expensive, but you have to do transmission swap. You can't run the same differential in that truck, because those differentials will grenade with the torque of the 12 valve or the 4BT. It's just not designed for it. You have to strengthen the frame, because the frame is not initially designed for a diesel engine. It's not as simple as just swapping out the motor. People do that and then people have problems, guys. You have to do it right the first time. The big question I'm going to address right now is, why did I go with a Jasper engine? Why did I go with a Chevy GM engine? I've heard nothing but horror stories from Jasper, from people that have bought Jasper engines and transmissions. I have a bunch of mechanics that put Jasper engines in vehicles. That's what they do, and they say, do not buy a damn Jasper engine. Yeah, their warranty is the same as I got on this motor, 3-year 100,000 mile warranty, but it's not GM parts. And as far as I know from people have told me, they've literally will not hold up to their warranty. They'll try to get out of it any which way or form. This engine I got in my truck, GM, if I drove it home, when I get it back, if I drove it home and it blew up in my driveway, I could take it to any GM rep or any GM dealership or Chevy dealership, and they have to replace it. Anything that came on that motor when it came off the crate is they have to replace the entire engine. I have a 3-year 100,000 mile warranty on this engine. It's a 350 from GM with all the new latest and greatest technology inside that motor. It's not the same as it was from 96. Yeah, it's a 350 still, but it's not the same technology basically inside this motor. That's why I didn't go with the Jasper. If this was a mud truck, if this was a rock crawler, this was a beat the hell out of a truck, yeah, I'd go out and buy a 350 a junkyard motor like some of you said, or buy a Jasper engine and throw it in the truck. but this is my daily driver. It's my show truck, guys. I have sponsorships because of that truck, and I want to keep it at that level. Is it at that level that I want it to be at? No, I still got to do paint and body correction. I still got to do a bunch of stuff to the truck, but I want to keep it original. It's just not going to be a numbers matching truck, basically. So that's kind of the gist of what's going on with the truck. I'm hoping to get it back at the end of this week. It looks like I'm going to get it back at the end of this week. I do want to say happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving with family and friends and everything. Be thankful for what you got, guys, because it could always be worse. I'm very thankful for the family I've got with Trucks and Water community. Y'all are fan-freaking-tastic, and I can't thank you all enough. Going off on that, though, I do want to address one thing. To all the haters that hate on that video, I've got screenshots of people saying bad crap and all that other stuff. I hope and pray nothing ever bad happens to you in your life. I really do. I hope everything happens the way you want it to and everything. It's sad. It really saddens me that the internet brings out the worst in people. I know that because you can hop on a keyboard, sit behind a screen, and just be an absolute, I'll just say it, absolute asshole, and get away with it because you're behind a screen. I've never had anyone approach me and truck me and say it to my face. I've never had anyone say all this stuff to my face because they can't hide behind a screen. But I really do hope and pray that each one of you that talk crap, y'all, everything in life happens perfectly for you. It sucks for me. Like, these past 3 months I've absolutely sucked with the 2 wrecks and now the engine swap in the truck. I mean, but I'm going to keep pushing forward, guys, because like I said at the end of every video, I'm never going to give up on my dream. It's the determination, guys, that that gets you through in life, and the willingness to keep going forward. To everyone, and I've got, for the amount of hate I got 10 times the support. To everyone that DM'd me, messaged me, commented, any which way to contact me, ask me about the truck or supporting me, I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. This is why I do Trucks and Water, is people like you all. You all are the reason why Trucks and Water is what it is, and you are fantastic, and I can't thank you all enough for what you've done with the channel. It means a lot to me that you all care enough about the truck and me to contact me and stuff like that. It shows how much support and how great of people there's still out there in the world. Because with everything that's going on in the world right now, you know, it could seem like a doomy, gloomy place, but people like you all make it so much better. So I want to thank each and every single one of you. You all are the greatest, and I hope you get everything you want in life, and I hope everything goes the way you want to and all your dreams come true, guys. I'm going to keep pushing forward, guys. The front bumper rebuild is or the front end rebuild is going to start back up after we get the truck back. I've got some new ideas for the front end, though, that I might change, but we'll get into that in another video. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving. Enjoy it with your family and friends, guys. Be thankful for what you have. If you're religious, thank God for what you have and stuff, guys, because it could always be worse. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Give it a like if you like the video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, and trying new and better things. Like I said, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day. And remember, never give up on your dreams.